Hello guys! Today I want to show you how to recover a deleted song in Suno AI. So first, log in to Suno AI account and head over to Library. Now, here you will find the available songs that you created. Now, let's just select this song for example. Click on the three dots and click on Move to Trash. Now, let's locate our trash here. And this is our trash folder, so click on this. Next to Audio plus Audio button, will be redirected to trash, so these two songs are all trash. They are currently deleted, so if you want to get them back to the library, just click on the three dots here and click on Restore to Library. Or you can just click on this back arrow and the song will be restored to library immediately. And that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.